Welcome back to where we dive deep into the world of motorcycles, their tech, features, and everything that makes them tick. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss an update. Today, we have something special in store. We're taking a detailed look at the 2026 Honda Gold Wing DCT, one of the most sophisticated touring motorcycles out there. So grab a coffee, get comfy, and let's dive into this incredible bike. When Honda first introduced the Gold Wing in 1975, it revolutionized the touring motorcycle segment. Fast forward to 2026, and the Gold Wing has only gotten better, offering a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. And the 2026 Honda Gold Wing DCT, in particular, takes things up a notch with its dual-clutch transmission system. Let's take a look at why this bike has become the pinnacle of touring motorcycles. First, let's talk performance. The 2026 Honda Gold Wing DCT is powered by a 1833cc, 6-cylinder engine that produces smooth, consistent power across the entire rev range. The engine is a liquid-cooled, horizontally opposed 6-cylinder that provides unmatched comfort on long rides. Honda's engineering team has made sure this engine delivers a refined power band with peak torque available at just 4,000 RPM. The Gold Wing's engine isn't just about raw power. Honda has made it incredibly efficient as well. The engine features the latest in fuel injection technology, ensuring better fuel economy compared to previous models. In fact, the fuel range has been extended, so long-distance riders can go further without needing to stop for gas. The refined engine also reduces vibration, which, combined with the Gold Wing's comfort features, helps make those long-distance trips feel almost effortless. But perhaps the most exciting part of the 2026 Honda Gold Wing is the DCT, or dual-clutch transmission. This transmission system, which Honda has been refining for years, is a game-changer for touring motorcycles. With DCT, you no longer need a traditional clutch or shifter. The bike automatically selects the right gear for you, seamlessly transitioning between gears with no interruption in power delivery. The system works by using two clutches, one for the odd-numbered gears and the other for the even-numbered gears. This allows for lightning-fast, almost imperceptible shifts. Whether you're riding through city streets, navigating twisty mountain roads, or cruising on the freeway, the DCT ensures you get the optimal gear selection at all times. It also has manual mode, giving riders the ability to shift gears themselves using paddles on the handlebars. This gives you the best of both worlds, ease of use and control. Now, let's talk about the chassis and handling of the 2026 Honda Gold Wing DCT. Honda has made several key changes to improve both the handling and stability of this bike. The Gold Wing DCT is built around a lightweight, aluminum twin-spar frame that provides excellent rigidity while keeping the bike's overall weight down. The goal here is to make sure the bike remains stable and planted, especially at highway speeds or when cornering at higher lean angles. One of the standout features of the Gold Wing is its electronically adjustable suspension. The front features a 45mm Showa cartridge Type 4, while the rear comes with a Pro-Link system that adjusts preload, damping, and compression to suit your riding style and road conditions. This suspension system provides an incredibly smooth ride, soaking up road imperfections with ease, and it ensures maximum comfort whether you're riding solo or with a passenger. Additionally, the bike's handling is further enhanced by its low center of gravity. Honda has strategically placed the engine low in the frame, which helps balance the bike and gives you a more stable, controlled ride. This is particularly noticeable during slow-speed maneuvers or tight turns, where the bike feels light and easy to handle despite its size. The 2026 Honda Gold Wing DCT isn't just about performance, it's designed for long-distance comfort. Honda has taken comfort to a whole new level with this bike, making it a true touring machine. The seat is designed to offer comfort on long rides, with adjustable lumbar support and the option to fine-tune the position to suit your needs. Both the rider and passenger seats are well padded and ergonomically designed to reduce fatigue over extended periods. The Gold Wing also offers an adjustable backrest for the passenger, ensuring that everyone on the bike remains comfortable. The bike's cockpit features a full-color TFT display, which is a huge upgrade over the previous model. The display offers real-time information such as speed, fuel range, navigation, and even tire pressure monitoring. It's intuitive and easy to navigate, thanks to the multi-function joystick controller located on the left handlebar. The 2026 model also integrates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing you to connect your smartphone to the bike's infotainment system. You can stream music, get navigation directions, and even respond to text messages, all without taking your hands off the handlebars. Another major feature that sets the Gold Wing apart is the advanced audio system. The bike comes with a 45-watt audio system, which can be heard clearly even at highway speeds. It also has a full Bluetooth audio integration, so you can connect your wireless headphones or helmet communication system. And let's not forget the built-in GPS, which is an absolute must for anyone planning to go on long-distance tours. When it comes to safety, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing DCT doesn't disappoint. Honda has equipped this bike with a suite of advanced safety technologies to ensure the rider's well-being. First, we have the Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, which helps prevent wheel spin during acceleration, particularly in wet or slippery conditions. This system works alongside the Gold Wing's traction control to maintain stability and ensure you have full control of the bike, even on less than ideal road surfaces. The bike is also equipped with ABS anti-lock braking system and an advanced braking system featuring large disc brakes at both the front and rear. The result is a powerful and precise braking performance, giving you confidence when bringing the bike to a stop, whether you're riding through traffic or going downhill. For those concerned about low-speed stability, the Gold Wing comes with a forward collision warning system and a blind spot detection system, which uses radar sensors to alert you if a vehicle is in your blind spot or approaching too quickly from behind. Now let's talk about the touring-specific features that make the Gold Wing DCT stand out in the market. The 2026 model comes with a larger, more spacious trunk and saddlebags, providing plenty of storage space for long trips. Whether you're going on a weekend getaway or embarking on a cross-country adventure, you'll have all the room you need to store your gear. The saddlebags are easy to access and have ample space to store everything from clothes to helmets. For added convenience, Honda has designed a keyless ignition system for the Gold Wing. This system allows you to start the bike without having to fumble around with a key. Simply keep the key fob in your pocket and you're good to go. There's also a built-in center stand, making it easier to park the bike when you're on the road. Another great feature is the adjustable windshield, which can be raised or lowered with just the press of a button. This allows you to fine-tune the amount of wind protection you need based on your riding conditions and preferences. If you're heading into the mountains or riding through cities, the adjustable windshield makes it easier to stay comfortable in a variety of environments. The 2026 Honda Gold Wing DCT represents the pinnacle of motorcycle touring. With its advanced technology, smooth performance, and unparalleled comfort, it's designed to deliver an experience like no other. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, the Gold Wing DCT offers a level of luxury and performance that sets it apart from other touring bikes on the market. So, if you're someone who values long-distance touring, comfort, and cutting-edge tech, the 2026 Honda Gold Wing DCT should definitely be on your radar. It's more than just a motorcycle, it's a touring machine built for the long haul. Narrator, and there you have it, everything you need to know about the 2026 Honda Gold Wing DCT. What do you think of this incredible touring bike? Are you excited about the features and performance? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. And as always, keep riding and stay safe out there. We'll see you in the next video.